I have processed over 1 billion tokens with Claude Code every single month. 6 months ago, I switched from Cursor. I have used a lot of coding tools, but this one is quite different, and I will show you exactly why. So first, what is Claude Code? Claude Code is an agentic coding tool built by Anthropic. It lives in your terminal, it reads entire code base, edits files, runs commands, and integrates with your development environment. The key word here is agentic. It doesn't just autocomplete lines, it takes multi-step actions to actually get things done. Think of it less like a smarter version of Copilot and more like a junior research engineer that never loses context. And that context space is what breaks most AI coding tools. They lose track of what you're doing, misread your intent, and you end up fighting the tool more than just solving your problem. Claude Code doesn't have that issue. At least not in my experience. When I dump raw, half-informed instructions at it, it reasons through what I actually mean. It holds context across files, across tasks, across an entire session, and that's the core difference. But here's what surprised me most. I don't only use it for coding. I use Claude Code for prototyping ideas, research, document analysis, web search, pretty much everything I do in a day. It's become my trusted partner across my whole workflow. And if you see my numbers back that up. I have been processing over 1 billion tokens with Claude Code every single month. That's not casual use. That's a complete reliance on this tool. I use Cursor for a long time. I have built incredible projects using Cursor. But Cursor stitches together different models, different implementation, and you feel sometimes that friction. And don't get me wrong, sometimes having different models is genuinely helpful for different tasks. But with Claude Code, the reasoning, the tool use, the memory, it's just one coherent system. That integration matters more than any individual feature. Well, it's not a magic tool. You still have to think, you still have to direct it. But the gap between what I can build alone and what I can build with Claude Code is real. If you're serious about your development workflow, and honestly, even beyond that, it's worth trying. I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care.